I find so many chicken. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I count so many. So many chicken. Oh my God. Ang dami nila. Pwede nang pulutan. Lechon. Mas meron pa doon. So, iikot kami dito sa Pasir Ris Park, Area 1. Nandito kami sa Area 1. So, this is the start. Pasir Ris Park is a bit longer. So, meron kang Area 1, Area 2, Area 3. I'm not sure how many area have this Pasir Ris Park. So, now we are here at Pasir Ris Park, Area 1. So, pupuntahan namin yung maze garden. Dito sa Pasir Ris Park, ang daming chicken. See, may nakikita na naman ako doon sa malayo. So, this is the Pasir Ris Park. And then, the other side is chalet. Last time I go in here before already. This is the chalet, and then we have back door, so you can go park cycling. We meet our parrot. Wow, so cute. So cute. Hi.
Cut the wing or cut the wing cannot fly already, right?
Oh really? Yeah.
Then you like I see in TikTok whereby they throw out, then after that they come back. Yeah. You can do that? Let me see, right? How you train him or her? Him, how you train him? No, train him like obey you, know you.
Oh, you're the one who trained.
Cannot touch on the body, yeah.
Oh, cannot touch her. Really?
They don't like people to touch on. Unless you very familiar. My neighbor got one also.
Can you put in my hand?
Yeah, yes. Oh, you put your hand.
How to put? You do one. You do one. You do one. You don't like me? Can you put in my hand? I want to take a video. Hi. Hi. I scared you fall down. Why? You will fall?
If you go upside down.
Yes, sir.
I hold the parrot! Yay! Hi, so cute! Oh, hi Lucky! Hi Lucky! What's a Lucky? What?
Lucky? Amazing, huh? Easy to cook.
Inside?
Why? What do you like?
Yeah. clever. Eh. You're so clever. You're so.
Like,
How many?
only one.
Only one. Wow.
He's not my only one.
How many? Oh, this little girl. It's only 11 years old. But so clever how to she talk with us, and then she explain how the parrot, because she take care 3 parrot, right? Oh, what is your name? Tricia. Nice meeting you, Tricia.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
You,
just like down here, one of them is called 3-5. So you just let them go, and then you come back, they really so they close it. So they can run.
wow, so pleasant. Hit the one. Hit the one. Hit the one. Wow, so clever. Yeah.
Really? So good, then you will sleeping.
And then in your inside your house, is it she very noisy or no?
Outside,
Oh. We meet one girl. She's 11 years old. Her name is Tricia, and she have pet Parrot. So we are talking. She very clever how to explain how to take care of the parrot, guys. So I'm very amazed. We are very amazed because her parrot. Oh, hold on the parrot. Hold on the parrot. No, he take already. So we are. She very friendly, actually, the girl, and she very clever. So thank you. And she very how to she very clever to explain how to take care of the parrot, And she's only 11 years old. See? So we still here at Pasir Ris Park, and we are in a beach. And see a lot of people barbecue here. We still crossroad. I crossed the bridge. What is that? The tent there. I think that's a restaurant, Daming nagbabarbecue dito. Barbecue. Wasim and there's a beach. Sleep away. Oh, that's the resort that we come out before. Yeah, back door. But you know what? We forgot the key, and then we bicycle here, and then we go to the opposite the place, the house. We call them, but we cannot hear us. And I never bring my phone also that time. We never hear because they close everything. They stay in aircon Then so we wait near to the door until people come out. So this is the beach. Here at Pasir. effective. Not effective that one, na. Welcome to campsite area 1. So this one is pwede kang mag-camping doon sa kabila. So they are allowed to camping. Hindi yung basta-basta ka lang na saan-saan. So